All right, we're at the house, the family house. They're watching Finding Dory or Finding Nemo. Sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down. All right, all right. No, no, no dares, not today. Hey, something on TV. All right, you already on. Ladies, all right, no, 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 don't do that. Cardi on TV, say hello. Hello, ladies. Wait a minute. How old are you? Boy, you too young for that. Yes, you are. You're too young. He's 7 years old, and he acting. You're too young for that. You're too young for that. Finding Dory or Finding Nemo. I'm not sure. But oh well. No, you may not. All right, bye.